How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an idea. I'm gonna do every format right here in the gap between 2 days. So yeah, there's going to be content, and let's do unrated random battle today. Unrated. Okay, I did play this a few times. Oh, he got Ho and he got Tapu Lele. Psychic terrain only blocks priority moves, so toxic. I don't want to miss Junior. I'm gonna do 3 whole battles in this format. Okay, let's just roast. I'm hoping he'd go for an attacking move. Yes. Nice. Now he might think, oh, he's gonna roost again, I'm gonna calm mind, so I'll go for Sacred Fire. Or he could just switch. Please burn. Yes. And he might go for an rock type move, so Mudsdale. Coil, oh shit. Okay, 28%. I should not rely on that to beat him. So Shadow Ball, Dragapult Titis. I wanna miss you now. Okay, he went for rest. Let's go for Max Vomit once and Max Phantasm. In case he switches out, it will be a nice situation for us. In case he switches into his Tapu Lele. Yes, he did switch into his Tapu Lele and Max Phantasm. Bye bye Tapu Lele. Aggressive opponent. Tornadus. Sorry to say this, but I have Max Lightning. Let's just U-turn out of here. I don't want to stay. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh, Electric Tyler only prevents sleep. His Sandaconda can't rest now. I'll survive because I'm the best. Okay. Now I need to just roost. Let's see what move he has. Sandaconda move. Okay. Let's just switch into our Leafeon. I don't want to do anything except for critting with Leaf Blade, which I almost do. Don't rest. Yes, we have a godly physical defense. Leafeon. Oh, should have gone for X-Scissor as I was going for at the first time. Now he'd think I'll switch into Ho and goes into his Sandaconda. Prediction right here. Oh no. Wish. Yes. He'll protect. Won't he? Yes. Leaf Blade. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, oh. And we have 213 speed too. Yeah. Bye bye, Glaceon. 213 speed. Is it enough for the Tornadus? Oh, first impression, Gullispot. I know your first impression shenanigans. I'll just switch. Okay. Sacred Fire it is, even if he switches out. Nice, 50s. And he had 2 evolutions. I will bring out Mudsdale. The reason I brought out my Mudsdale is he would think I would switch and he would over predict me. He would think I would switch, but I'll think he'll go for a super effective move against his Pokemon. So he might have gone for Thunderbolt. It's reverse psychology. I can't explain it. Shit. How did I fail this miserably? Tornadoes. Ho ho. Ho ho, not ho ho. Roost. Even if he switches, I won't care. Because I can always outplay him. Wow, I'm thinking. Did I got better at Showdown? I don't know. 6 minutes. Nice play. But I have an assault. Okay, I only have assault vest. I just tell. And you'll die. I should have gone for Roost. Oh no. That goalie spot. Okay, that thing. Oh no, he didn't win for first impression. No. Best of a hoe. Okay, Vixitini. Bolt strike. Don't switch. Yeah. I only have assault vest. Nice. Bye bye Sandaconda. Jolteon. Zen Headbutt. 99% accurate because I have a victory star. You have a choice card, don't you? We won this. No matter what they say, we won this match. No matter what they say, we won this match. You stab blue flare and burn. Okay, let's go into the second battle. Okay, we immediately got in second battle. Silva Grass against Shingo. Nice beam. Nice switch, but you lost that Quagsire wall. Scald it down, he might switch into his Goregeist. You know what, I'm gonna go for Scald. I might stay here thinking I might go for another move. Regigigas. No, sorry, Regigigas, not Gigas. Zacian. Behemoth Blade is too powerful. We have a Zacian. He'll auto lose this. No matter what he does, he'll auto lose this. Oh. And very tough spot. If that thing got his slow start up, we'll lose. We'll lose. Who thought it was a good idea to have that? I'm gonna go for player of and prayer to the god. Should have gone for Behemoth Blade. I'll reverse Psychic Fangs. Oh, sure. Don't go for. Oh! My reverse psychology failed. Focus Blast. We are inevitable to win this. And we have Search Surfer and Max Lightning with Search Surfer. Yeah, you are going to lose this no matter what you do. I'm the master of the blaster. We got a man with a plan, right here. Shadow Shield is your stupid ability. Max Lightning. Oh. Yes. No, I'm not gonna risk this. Even if you switch. Oh. Tornado versus Corsola Galar. I'll smash. Yes, because I don't want to risk my stat going. Oh. Fire Blast. Bye bye. Oh, you piece of shit. Okay. Now I'm just gonna hope for which didn't care it. Okay, Fire Blast. I wanna list your name. Bye. I don't care if My stat got. Let's see. Okay, let's go into our Grimmsnarl. You got talks checked. First impression or reflect? Yes, reflect it is. Fire blast. I'm doing that. No! What is she doing? He is missing his toxics. I'm missing focus blast. Finally. Just thing. Focus blast. If only focus blast landed though, I would have swept him. Are you kidding me?
No.
Don't care if I oh, Eternatus. I'm gonna go for Hydro Pump. I don't care about this stupid game. Just gonna go for Max Lightning. Hydro Pump missed. I want to hit something right now. Lilligant. Don't try to set up with that. Eternatus, I don't care about you too. Yeah, 55 on an Eternatus. Bye bye Eternatus. You can do nothing. Just explode. Bye. Tall. You have your Turtonator. No. Okay. Okay. We won. Okay, that's the video for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.